Hi, are you a college student looking for online internship? If yes, JAEHUB is the perfect place for you. Look no further than JAEHUB Web Services. If you are studying information technology, computer science, computer engineering, business administration, sales and marketing, entrepreneurship, human resources, psychology, multimedia arts, graphic design, or any related course, we welcome you to apply for an internship with us. We're excited to establish a long and productive relationship with you. You're qualified. So don't hesitate to message us on our Facebook page www.facebook.com/biz.jahub or visit our website at www.jahubservices.com to learn more about our company. We can't wait to hear you and welcome you to the JAEHUB Web Services team.